Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Highguard and you keep getting this problem, login failed, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying problem on Highguard easily. So this problem can occur due to a variety of issues. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your web browser and then you're going to search for Cloudflare WARP on here. You're going to go into this link from developers.cloudflare.com. You're going to download this software on your computer. Once it's done downloading, you're going to install it. After you're done with installing it, you're going to open it up. And then you're going to come here, you're going to click onto Cloudflare Warp, click onto the settings icon, click on 1.1.1.1 with Warp, and then click connect. Wait for it to connect. Once it's done connecting, now you're going to open up your game's platform. So it's Steam for me. And you're going to go into Highguard, you're going to right click on it, click properties, go into installed files, click verify integrity of game's files and let it do its thing. Once it's done with verifying your game's files integrity and re-downloading any files that needed to be downloaded, then you're going to go ahead and click play on Highguard and you'll see that your game will now work correctly. You will not get that login failed error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.